This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat. This is not a test. Jimi.exe, the dangerous creature that was killed in October, has returned. Almost ended the planet. And he is launching 4 nuclear missiles heading to the United States. These states include Dallas, Texas; Phoenix, Arizona; Portland, Oregon; Seattle, Washington. All residents are advised to seek an underground shelter. Stay tuned to the station for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Jimi.exe, the creature that has destroyed 4 states, has returned to the state of California. And he brought an evil clown is Pennywise. He is a creature too. He has full sharp teeth. All residents are advised to stay indoors until further notice. An administrative message from the Los Angeles Police Department. Jimi.exe was killed by a train. That's good news. In addition, Pennywise was dead by a plane crash. All residents are free to exit their shelters. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Reports came that things went missing. At least, Jimi.exe is dead. He's back to life.